I'm Roger Berard, creator and founder of Veto Pro Pack Tool Bags. Our original product line was launched into residential construction, but over the years we found out that HVAC technicians were using our product. They reached out to us through emails and phone calls and said that they really liked our bags, the way they were set up and how they worked for them, but there were things that needed to be done. That said, I ended up hooking up with a local HVAC contractor and spent about 9 months working with them, going out in the field with these guys, riding on jobs and figuring out what it is that they need, the types of tools that they use, how they work, and with that we came up with our line of HVAC tool bags. From the experience of working with the HVAC technicians in the field, well, we found that our Model LC bag, through some basic configurations, would definitely help and benefit how these guys work and the types of tools that they use. On the one side, we pretty much kept the same tool pocket configuration, adding some neoprene for a little more flexibility in the pocket. We added a business card holder and these flexible cable pockets and bit pockets on top here. On the back side, that was reconfigured a little bit differently than what our traditional LC was. And we added these larger neoprene and bulk fabric pockets to accommodate a variety of meters, parts box, cordless drill, and other bulkier items that these guys are accustomed to using, such as testers and other types of larger tools. On the outside, we had this quick access pocket, which is great for bit drives or bit extensions here. The guy can put his cell phone in there. Any kind of smaller items that a guy needs quick access to is stored on the outside. On the ends, we have our signature stainless steel tape clip. And on the other side, a lot of guys were requesting a tape holder. And we still have a pocket here for a utility knife and a few markers or pens and pencils. This bag comes with a heavy-duty shoulder strap, and it has a positive connection through a plastic clip that parks it on the shoulder, on the handle. So that way, when it's carried, it's stored on the bag. It does not drop behind the bag, so when you set it down, it's sitting on the shoulder strap. It parks right there. Like all Veto Pro Pack tool bags, the Tech LC comes with a 3mm thick polypropylene base, which is great for protection from moisture, adds stability to the bag. Heavy duty 1800, 1200, and 600 denier nylon at various ports. The hinged handle with an overmolded rubber grip for comfort and support. We also found out that what these guys need are these small portable pouches. This one we're calling our TP3 because there's 3 pockets here. But you can also store meters in here and a variety of hand tools. These are what we're calling like a diagnostic bag, so that a guy needs to go on a service call and he needs just a few basic hand tools. He can have this in his truck. It can be clipped to the bag. Or clipped to his pants, or just carried by hand. And this he can take and go in for a basic service call and do the various jobs or service repairs that he needs to take care of. If he needs more tools, then he'll go back to the truck and grab the bigger bag and go do a major service call. Our other accessory bag is what we're calling our MB bag, which is a meter bag. And in this bag, we have two slots to accommodate a variety of meter sizes. A slot in the back in the main body of the bag, which you can put a meter in. And then another meter slot. So a guy can basically put 2 meters in here, and if he needs to bring a few, like a couple nut drivers or some screwdrivers, there are additional pockets on the outside here. Down in a lower Velcro pocket here, we have what we call our bit pockets, where you can be bit extensions or nut drivers stored on the back. And like all Veto Pro Pack tool bags, The Tech LC comes with a 5-year, zero downtime warranty. And I'd like to thank all the HVAC technicians that work with us to help develop the product.